Hey guys, welcome to Product Focus Friday. I promised you using the sketch pen, so I have done so. I realized some of mine are definitely starting to wear out. So I started with one color. It didn't work. I switched. I think my darkest blue doesn't work, so I've got like just a lighter blue, and then a paler blue, and then a super pale blue, which was also running out, so I only got one of that. I somehow smudged. And then like this greenish teal color. But I did, this was a cut file, or a stitching file, not a stitching file, oh my gosh, a sketching file I just have from, it's just on the Silhouette Design Store. I can link down below like who designed it, but it's just a bunch of waves and I thought it'd be perfect. So I picked the blues because I have all those swimming photos and we're using this Carta beach party. So there's my sketch pen. We've got Carta ready to go. I think thought about putting the red down here actually, with the blue and everything up top, or I might do the orange. Was my thought. I haven't decided which photos I'm going to use quite yet for today, but I do still have all my swimming photos kind of separated from all the others, so I might use these ones of my little man swimming between the cool rocks. So we might use those because I can trim them down as well. So we will pick which ones or all of them, trim them down, get some stuff figured out. Maybe we'll even use this lovely border sticker and stick that across the border, whatever paper I decide. I just don't know if the blue stripe is a good idea. Maybe. Go heavy on the blues and maybe map my photos in the red or the orange. That actually might work really well. And we'll just use a lot of the critters and stuff today since we're actually swimming in these photos, especially my son, and they're really cute. So let me get those trimmed down, figure out what I want to do there, get this border down, and I will check back in with you. Okay, so I started creating it and I didn't stop and I forgot to turn the camera on. But all I did was cut these three photos actually down to basically 3x4, mat them on the red star paper. They're all a little crooked. And then I just started adding stickers and ephemera pieces and layering them together. Create a little embellishment cluster up there. And it worked out. I think it turned out really cute actually. And so next week's layout, we are supposed to play with the stapler, and I think I'm gonna do, I still have enough papers, I'm gonna keep working with this Carta collection, and we'll do the other three photos, and then we'll tie it in with this one, so there'll be companion pages, but not two-page spread, and then that one will have journaling. So I'm not gonna put any journaling on here, but that one will have the journaling, which will work out really well. So so I'm gonna keep this one near me for when we do next week's, so that maybe we can add staples to this one, so it kind of coordinates with the other one. But I think I'm just gonna use a regular stapler. I don't think I'm gonna use my Staple Anywhere stapler. I think we're just gonna do like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do some staples on here now, just because I know I'm going to do it. 2 staples there. And let's add, let's see, can we add? I got 2 up there and 2 down there. They're staples. They work. I don't know if I want to add anything else. I kind of like my little clusters of just the creatures and the swimming and this. So I think we're gonna leave this. We'll see what the next week's page looks like, and maybe we'll add to it, and I'll do that next week. But for now, I think I like what we got going on here. That apparently didn't add glue when I lifted it up before. So this is what I got for you. I'm sorry there's not much of a process video, but I didn't do much either. Not much was done. So thank you for watching. Very short, and we'll see what I do next week. Bye-bye.